how you can add a recorded Schoology conference into your Schoology class. So I'm going to go to my Schoology course. So I had a conference in this course, so I'm going to go here. And so maybe I met with the staff, maybe I met with some students. I recorded it, and so now I can put it in the course so that they can refer to it if they need to go back and look at something, or maybe I had someone who wasn't able to attend, but they still need the information, so we can still provide them all the information that was provided the first time. So you can see I went down here to the left to conferences. So here's where you set up your first conference. I don't have one set up for anymore for right now, but you'll see up here beside active we have completed. And so you can see here's my conference. So I'm actually going to click on play, and it's going to open up another tab in my browser. So you can see here's my conference, and I don't need to watch it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it. And so to save it, I'm going to take 2 fingers in the center of my trackpad and press down. And so you can see I get this menu, and I want to do save video as. And so I'm going to give it a name. And then right here where it says where, this is where you're going to decide where the file's going to save. I like saving to my desktop, that way I can find things. And then I'm going to say save. And so down here at the bottom you can see that it's downloaded. So I'm going to close that, and we'll close this tab. Back in my Schoology course, I'm going to go to Materials. Now, I'm going to do Add Materials. We're going to do Add File Link External Tool. When this box pops up, we're going to click on File. We're going to attach a file just like you would for an email. And you can see that mine defaulted to desktop, but you can see over here on the side, if I needed to select it, I could have. And there's my file. And click open. Now, depending on the size of your file, that meant that was a real short video. So it didn't take very long to upload, but if your conference was 40 minutes long, then it may take a little bit longer for that to render for you. And now I'm going to do add. And so you can see right here is my file, and it has a little movie clapper, so we know that that's a video. And so I'm going to click on it, and you can see here's my video. Now sometimes, depending on the size, you might come in here right after you upload it, and it will be a white box, and it will say converting video. Just be patient. Give Schoology a little bit of time to convert that video into its interface. Once it's ready, it will look just like this. If for some reason you need to rename the file, or if you're like me and that .m4v kind of bugs you, you can come over here to the gray gear and do edit and change the name if you need to, and click save. And I can't explain why, but when I do that, that .m4v disappears. But if you're like me and that kind of bugs you, just go to the gray gear, do edit, make no changes, save, and it goes away.